Today I have decided to challenge myself. Forex scalping, but every $250 I make blocks a indicator. I have also locked all my currency pairs except one. Every $100 I profit allows me to unlock a new currency pair of choice. The main goal of this Forex challenge is to reach $10,000 trading account. We are starting with only $2,500 in our account balance. Let's attempt to quadruple our money. So I am looking at Euro USD 5-minute time frame at the moment, and we are seeing a bearish engulfing candlestick forming, which would be a nice trading opportunity towards the downside. If we have a look at the higher time frames, we can see that the 1 hourly and the 4 hourly time frames are trending towards the downside. The two moving averages over here are quite far away from the candlestick, so a pullback could occur. But 1 hourly time frame does suggest maybe a pullback towards this trend line that we have. So the 5-minute time frame, if it's gonna close as a bearish engulfing candle, that's gonna be my first trading entry for this trade. So I am waiting patiently for a candlestick closure. We get a bearish engulfing candle. Quickly, let's place a sell position. So I'm not playing about this time. As you can see, new low has been developed, a nice curve towards the downside. Bearish engulfing candle of the 20 and 50 moving averages does suggest further movement towards the downside, towards this trend line support that we have. Probably is going to cross. As you can see, this area zone over here was a strong area of kind of sensitivity as well. Likely it's going to touch this zone before maybe continuing to push up, but that's where we're going to close off our trade and hopefully make a bunch of money. At the moment, the trade is not doing too well. $30 in the minus. However, I do believe it's going to just turn around, go towards the downside very soon. Okay, so I'm finally seeing some movement towards the downside, which is nice. If we have a look at the 1 hourly time frame, we can see that the market has just broken this area of support. Nice break over here, shooting towards the downside. So the 5-minute time frame as well, looking pretty good, breaking through this area of support that we have. Very nice indeed. 1 minute left until this new candlestick closure over here. As I said, very likely gonna touch this area zone. I'm keeping my trade open for now. Okay, so the market is definitely pushing towards the downside nicely. Let's have a look at our meta trade. $120 profit. I'm just gonna close off. There we go. Nice. So $2,603 at the moment. What does this mean? We can actually open up a new currency pair, which is amazing. So I had a little think, and I think USD CAD is the one to go for. So let's unlock it. Bam, there we go. Change it to green. We have two currency pairs unlocked.
Nice.
We can see the Euro USD is still pushing towards the downside. Maybe I shouldn't have closed it that quick, but I really wanted to open another currency pair. Let's have a look at USD CAD. So USD CAD 5-minute time frame, very interesting indeed. Strong area of support over here. Previously pushed down, pushing back up, probably gonna retest it actually. Let's see how many pips we could make. 2 to 3 pips, that could potentially be a nice scalping position. Let's see the hourly had a recent bullish engulfing candle, nice new high. 4 hourly time frame, same thing, pushing towards the upside nicely. Is there any resistance over here? It could be around this area zone, but we can definitely scalp this position, I believe. So I actually like USD CAD. If we quick enough, we might just place this trade. Okay, so USD CAD, let's place this trade for a nice buying position. If it breaks the moving averages 20 and 50, I'm just gonna close off the trade. So let's see if that happens. Very unsure why this bearish pressure is coming in. However, I'll come back to you guys once something happens. Okay, USD CAD not doing too much. I like this hammer candlestick over here. It does suggest further bullish movement towards the upside. It might pull back towards the moving averages, and I'm scared if it's gonna do that. I really wouldn't want a crossover of the 1-minute time frame. That's where I would close off my trade in a loss, because that just becomes too risky. So I'm still waiting. Come back to you guys in a bit. So USD CAD bullish engulfing candle forming, that is amazing and nice. That's what I like to see. Let's have a look. $18 in profit at the moment. That is nice. Euro USD, however, is dropping down. I'm actually kind of pissed off that I closed up my trade so early. That could have been a banger of a trade, and it would have made my life so much easier. However, we missed that. Very likely it's gonna have a pullback towards the upside before it continues to move down. USD CAD, the formation, bullish formation. Oh, there we go. It's coming back. Maybe. Let's see what happens. All right, finally, it's moving towards the upside. Very slow, actually, but it's moving towards the upside now. Okay, let's have a look. $21 in profit. What's going on? My broker is lagging. Trading view showing that it's on the top, and the broker is showing that it's in the bottom. The 1 minute time frame also shows strong resistance over here, as you can see with this candlestick. However, on the 1 minute time frame, if we have a nice break again from this area of resistance, you know, a nice bounce of the moving averages, new highs are coming in. Looks pretty good. I hope this closes just above this area zone. That's going to be an ideal trading scenario for us. USD CAD is really playing about with my nerves. Look at this drop over here. Had a big drop and now pushing back towards the upside nicely. There we go. That's all what I like to see. $35 in profit. We need a little bit more. I want 100. I want 100. Is that a lot to ask? Let's take a look at Euro USD. Look at this. As I said, touch this area zone. Oh, god damn it. I wish I did not close the trade. I always close off too early because I'm kind of like, I get paranoid once I have like $100 or $200 in profit. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna close it off. But really, I knew this is gonna happen. I've been trading nearly a decade, god damn it. I know the charts inside out, and as you can see, pushing and breaking through this trend line. So very likely push exhaustion, push scenario. So if we do get an exhaustion, maybe a push towards the downside yet again for another entry position. Very likely this is gonna bounce back off this area of support. If not, and if it's gonna break it like that, then maybe this is the next area of support over here. A very strong bearish movement at the moment for the euro US dollar. So I'm very sad that I'm not placing trades on it actually. God damn it. Let's see USD CAD. So USD CAD 5 minutes, as you can see, pushing towards the upside nicely. Oh yeah, $86.91. Can we get 100? We was $2 away from 100. Come on, USD CAD, we have to do it. 82.93. There was 100. Oh god damn. The broker is screwing me. Oh god damn it, it's coming back down. I missed my close trade. I was greedy. I wanted $100. Come on. Yes, push back. Push back. Come on. Let's have a look what's going on. We need the top bit. Yeah, it bounced off the top. Legit the same area zone. So if we just have a look with the rectangle tool, look at this. It's pretty much the exact zone over here. So strong selling pressure of this zone. This does suggest that I should close off the trade. So you know what, $75 profit, that's good enough for me. So at the moment my account balance is $2,660. So $160 profit within around 15 to 20 minutes time. Pretty good, I should say. It would have definitely been more if I held the trade strong towards the downside on Euro USD. However, I really wanted to open up a new trading pair. I really did. Okay, so Euro USD is actually pulling back towards the upside, respecting this area of trend line. So very interesting. There could be a trade position over here if it's gonna break this maybe trend line. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. So the 15-minute kind of bouncing back over here, forming an M pattern. M pattern is a bearish pattern, which shows that likely the candlesticks will move towards the downside. So that's very interesting. 5-minute time frame, strong buying pressure over here. I'm a little scared. Strong buying pressure of this area zone. M formation can be seen. We need to wait a little bit. Glad I closed off USD CAD. Look at this area of resistance pulling back towards the moving averages. I didn't want to hold that trade any longer than I should. Okay, Euro USD looks very interesting. Look at this area zone over here. Nice area of sensitivity on the 1-minute time frame, right? We had a nice push exhaustion scenario. I wish we had a bearish engulfing candle just over here. That would have been an ideal entry for a push towards the downside to retest this area zone. However, we didn't get it. Look at this. It's attempting to do something. Now, if the next couple of candles is a bearish engulfing candle just somewhere over here, that could be a nice trade towards the downside to retest this bottom. Let's see the 5-minute time frame, same thing, retesting this bottom. That could be a good trading opportunity. I'm actually going to wait for that, see what happens, see if the next couple of candles going to give me a bearish engulfer. If the 1-minute time frame is going to cross the 50 moving average, I'm not gonna touch euro for a little bit. Okay, unexpected, this shows nice resistance. We should enter this trade short. Okay, euro sell. There we go. That could be a nice trading opportunity over here. I actually believe in this trade very much so. Look at this, showing strong area resistance, push exhaustion scenario. We didn't get a bearish engulfing candle, but this candlestick formation is good enough. And look at this, it's dropping nicely towards the downside. $84 in profit. Can we get 100? Come on, euro. I know you can do it. Euro USD very volatile. 102.11. There we go. 111 profit. There we go. We closed off the trade. Very nice indeed. $2,752 account balance. That is totally amazing. We also reached another milestone. We can unlock another currency pair, and I'm gonna go with GBP USD. Why not? Little did the Valdez know that with all the excitement comes the negative milestone, a removal of his favorite indicator, the moving averages. Oh shit, that's gonna suck. Anyway, if you enjoyed this series, make sure to like, smash, comment, and if you want to see part 2, click here. If the video is not there, just watch my video.